This video we are in Florida. We cop stop a vehicle for tax, I believe it is. The officer engaged with the driver, and backseat driver, let's call him Bubba. Bubba interjected into this whole conversation. He decided that he's the expert as far as all things law are concerned. Now, let me just warn you, Bubba is about as bright as last week's burnt-out light bulb. But he's got a lot to say. It's actually a fun video. You'll enjoy it. Let's go ahead and watch it.
Are you Renee? Okay, you got your license on you? Can I see it? You got ID on you, sir?
I don't need to identify myself.
You don't have it on you?
I don't need to identify myself.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
Absolutely, you do.
No, absolutely, I
yes,
don't.
Yes, sir, you do. You're a passenger in the vehicle. You need to.
Right, but you pulled them over because.
It doesn't matter.
It does. You want to check your First Amendment right?
For resisting.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is Bubba. You can hear a lot from Bubba. He's quite vocal. Doesn't know what the hell he's talking about, but he's vocal. Let's watch it.
I suggest you give me your ID.
All right. What's your name, man?
Officer Agostino.
What's your number?
1935.
What's your number? I'll give you my ID. That ain't no problem.
Remember what he just said there. He's going to talk to a supervisor a bit later on. And see what he says then.
What's your badge number, bro? What's your badge number, bro? You've asked me to identify myself. Identify yourself. I'm going to give him my ID, but he's got to identify himself under state laws.
I assume they have to identify themselves if you ask for it. I don't see anything wrong with that. I don't know. What do you think?
Appreciate it, sir. Okay.
What is it now?
Officer Agostino.
Agostino? All right. What is it, 519?
Yes, sir.
Appreciate you.
Ma'am, are you the co-owner of the vehicle? Registrant?
No, I own.
Your license is showing suspended as well, okay?
I don't see how.
Does it say for what?
I'll let you know. I'll run it, but your license is also showing suspended, okay? It is showing an ID card only, okay? So at this point in time, you're not going to be able to drive away from here either, okay? Y'all just sit tight for me, okay?
Call mom.
Never too old to call mom. Mama's always ready to call. Be called.
You got the registration and insurance for vehicle?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, 1 second.
I'm out here in Bartow. We just came from visiting Mima or whatever, and we got pulled over, and I didn't even know. I don't see how my license is suspended, but they're telling me that my license is suspended.
Hey, you want this too, bro? We just got back from visiting my dying grandma.
No, sir.
Right in front of Bartow Hospital.
Yeah.
Is that the insurance paperwork that you need?
Hospital, right in Bartow Road.
You got like a card, like a policy number or anything?
I don't have a policy number. I don't think so. We did it like over the phone.
Yeah, you can look it up on the phone. That's fine.
No, by the Bartow Regional Medical Center.
Got it?
That's it, right?
Yep.
But,
so there's no guns, knives, drugs, bazookas,
No,
anything
sir.
in the car I need to know about?
No, sir.
You mind if I check?
I'm not.
Are you okay if I check?
No.
It's up to you, sir.
No.
You're the driver.
No. This is a traffic stop, sir.
Yeah, who would have guessed that it's a traffic stop? Sure, the cop knows that. Just a wild guess.
No. This is a traffic stop.
No, just a normal traffic stop, I think.
Yeah, I know. They're good. It's a traffic stop, bro. Listen, bro. I'm gonna talk. Listen, we get a hold of mom.
Why would you get your mom? You sound like an adult. You sound like you're dumb as a prick, but you do sound like an adult. Why do you need your mom? What must your mom do for you? Changing nappies?
I'm gonna handle this.
Then why ask for mom? If you can handle it, why ask for mom? Why call mom? Not sure.
And everything out here, bro. I'm finna
How
snap.
you doing, man? Detective Dreesler, Bartow Police Department.
What's up?
You have your ID on?
He's got my ID.
Who has your ID?
The officer back there.
He has your ID.
Yeah.
Hey, you have his ID?
What's your name, man? I need your name and your number.
I just gave it to you.
No, you-
Detective Dreesler, Bartow
Okay.
Police Department, 116.
Appreciate you.
Did he get everybody's ID?
He's got everybody's ID in the vehicle.
Okay. All right.
Hey, you might want to get a supervisor out here too, bro.
That might be a bad idea for you, but, we'll wait and see.
What'd you say?
I said, y'all might want to get a supervisor out here too.
What do you need a supervisor for?
Because I'd requested a supervisor, I don't need anything other than that. That's my right to do so. I know my 1st, 5th, 6th, 14th Amendment rights. I'm a legal citizen of the United States. I have the rights to declare that you have your supervisor out here. Because he requested to see my identification, he had no right to do so.
Sure.
Because as a freestanding citizen in these United States, I'm able to do my own thing and not be held accountable for anybody else. So therefore, he says I was in the vehicle. I'm not accountable for anything.
How long did it take this guy to try and memorize what he just said there? He won't be able to repeat it. Guaranteed. Will not be able to repeat it.
He had no right to ask me for my identification. I told him I did not have to identify myself as to the First Amendment right.
Oh, he can ask for ID. He can most certainly ask your ID. Guaranteed he can.
Actually, you do.
No, I do not, man. I know my First Amendment rights. I'm not going to talk no more, man.
Now look, if he was not going to talk anymore, like he said, we would not be making this video, right? We're making this video because he's talking. All the time. All the time.
Okay. You want the supervisor to?
Yeah, I want y'all supervisor and everything out here, man. For real, man. Y'all messing with
trying to
him.
go home.
Don't give him no leeway, bro. You is not gonna get in no trouble about this, bro.
Yeah, let me just say, you is making a big mistake there, bro. Big mistake.
I know, bro. This is your best way. I did the right thing. Get the supervisors involved, bro. They hate this.
No, but I ain't trying to go to jail.
You're not gonna go to jail, bro. It's a traffic infraction.
Want a bet?
They wasn't even. It's a traffic infraction, bro. That's what I'm trying to tell you, bro. You're not going to jail, bro. They
Once again, want a bet?
better not take you to jail, bro.
Oh, that's his radio. I mean,
Valid.
Exactly.
license was valid.
They just said her license is valid, so you can stop this now.
Why did he just tell me my license?
Y'all can stop this now.
Hey, shut jail.
No, say that again. Say it again. Show is it on the? Show me the proof right there, Renee.
Who's the owner of the vehicle?
She is.
I am.
I'm the co-owner.
You're the co-owner?
Yeah.
Okay. It's probably showing on our website, on the e-site,
Uh-huh.
that her license is suspended.
Well, she's got proof saying that
It's FR suspension. It's usually going to be because of insurance.
I have insurance.
Did you guys recently change it, or did you get on it recently?
Yeah.
No, my Mazda, this is a new insurance. My Mazda is the one that's not insured any
Okay,
longer.
so like I said, that's usually what happens with insurance.
Okay.
You might get FR suspension on there, okay? So I don't know if your insurance company didn't contact with the insurance, but trying to figure that out.
Okay.
Like I said, I don't know if you missed a payment. Usually it's either you missed a payment.
No, I
or you
definitely
recently
didn't miss a
switched
payment.
insurance.
Yeah, we recently switched.
Then that's probably why.
Cause it's been if it's what's today, the 9th? Yeah, I don't even think. Yeah, I don't even think it's been a full month. Yeah, it hasn't.
I'll probably contact your insurance.
Okay.
Figure out what's going on with it, figure out if they contact.
That right there, that's Bubba. Our intellectual giant. That's him right there.
HMV,
Okay.
see what's going on.
So her license is valid though.
If it's showing FR suspension on our end,
Mhm.
then we're gonna go based on what's on there. No, FCIC typically doesn't update fast enough on our David system.
But you have proof on your phone right now that it's valid.
I'm I'm trying to look it up. I'm just getting my driver license number.
Yeah, because as long as you got that proof, they can't mess with you. All they got to do is make David get out and get on the other side.
There's no reason whatsoever for it to be suspended.
I know, they're just giving you a hard time right now.
I don't know why checking for a license is giving somebody a hard time. That's literally the job of this officer. He must make sure you're legal when you drive. Why would that be a hard time? Just comply with the guy, sort things out, and get into your life. That's how most normal people would go about their business every day. Not our Einstein over here. He's trying to create problems.
I know exactly what time it is. They're just giving you a hard time. That's it. Because they thought y'all were going to cower down.
This ain't nothing to me. My mama on the way to pick up my car and all.
Yeah.
But she ain't even got to.
You really? She don't.
Cause you finna drive. If your license is
You
good,
finna drive this way. David finna leave too.
Yeah.
Watch.
In this car.
Watch. I told you, Bubba. Let me talk. You heard exactly what I just told him, right? I reckon.
Don't let him talk. Do not let him talk. Bad idea. All I'm saying.
Recognize the First, Fifth, Sixth, and 14th Amendment.
Which one tell you to shut up and say nothing more? Follow that one. That would be the one.
I do not have to identify myself. I am a freestanding citizen of these United States. I'm not held accountable for anybody else's actions. Because he pulled you over doesn't mean I did anything wrong. So
Then shut up. Let the cops deal with whomever he pulled over with. Well, that's what I would do.
why are you asking me questions? I do not have to identify myself, dog. And right now, they're gonna come about 8 deep over and can get me out this car.
I just heard it. It said battery on.
I know. That's why they backed up the way they did.
But one of them left.
Yeah, because they're gonna need to go get back up. I'm telling you right now, it was the rookie who left. Oh no, he ain't. They're still trying to run it. They're trying.
I don't know what to say. You're a lot of things. You are many, many things. Smart, not one of them. Not even close. Nah, not smart. Mouthy, stupid, idiot, dummy. Those are things that come to mind. But smart? Nah, never.
If it come down to it, I'll take it like a gangster, bro. Don't worry.
Another one pulling up.
They're gonna keep coming. They're gonna keep pulling. I requested a supervisor.
Yeah, on our end, on the suspension on there.
What does that mean?
It's showing financial responsibility, which is usually the insurance.
Okay, so
So I pay my insurance.
Yeah, like I said, we don't, like I said, you gotta contact your insurance.
call the
Sometimes
insurance.
they might not communicate with them.
Yeah, you just call your insurance company. That way they can verify all over the phone.
I got it on my files. So if I get a hold of them, just you guys can talk to them?
I mean, you have to communicate with your insurance and then.
Huh?
Sir, this is my supervisor.
Yeah, what's up? Okay.
That doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
So I don't know why I was requested to give my identification. I'm a freestanding of these United States. I do not held accountable for anybody else's actions. I'm sitting here in the back seat and he's
You are a
requesting.
passenger inside of the
That doesn't matter. It's the First Amendment.
Well, Bubba just confirmed now that the supervisor also doesn't know anything about the law. You know, he just told the supervisor that he doesn't know what he's talking about. He doesn't have to identify himself. He's Bubba. He's a free American, whatever you call him. These laws doesn't apply to him, according to Bubba.
What's your name, Sergeant?
Sergeant McKee.
What's your name or number?
MCKEE.
What's your number? 216. Cool. Appreciate it. But like I said, we weren't speeding nothing, so there ain't no reason for him to run the tags or nothing like that. This is profiling.
How is running a tag profiling?
Because you're not supposed to run my tag unless I'm doing anything wrong.
That is actually incorrect.
How is it? That's called profiling.
No, if you drive this vehicle on this roadway, we are allowed to run your tag.
Okay, sure.
Hey, cop, stop profiling Bubba. Bubba feels he's being profiled. Come on, man.
Okay, and we will be identifying you if you do not.
I've already given my identification against my will.
Well, very good. Thank you very much for.
Yup, absolutely. Ask him who the victim is. Ask him who the victim is. Hey, so
Right now, everybody listen to this video, the ears of these people that listen to this video. We all are victims at this point in time, but we enjoy it. So keep on.
who did we harm?
Excuse me?
Who did we harm?
I don't know what you mean.
Like, who's the victim in this crime?
State of Florida.
And so who did we harm?
State of Florida.
So since when is the state of Florida a person?
It can be the victim of a crime, yes, sir.
Come on now, that's victimless crime, sir.
Yeah, the victim is the state of Florida, which would be the taxpayers, right? That is whom this cop is representing here. So those are the victims.
You're now being legally told or lawfully told, however you prefer, to step out of the vehicle.
Okay, sure, whatever. I'm still not you're not gonna search me without a warrant.
I don't want to search you.
Okay.
Sir, would you like a citation for throwing your cigarette on the ground?
I can pick it up if you want me to, I'm sorry.
I recommend that.
All right, sure.
Yeah, that'd be great of you to pick it up. Don't litter, man. Don't litter.
This is my cigarette right here. I'll put it out right here in front of you.
You want, but we're asking you to step on the ground.
Go ahead, dude, man. Do what you do. I got all rights to record you under First Amendment rights, man.
Well, you got one of the amendments correct. That's great. That's a start.
I'm in the grass like he said. I'm in the grass like he said, man.
Before you turn into it, but they taking David to jail because he didn't have a license.
Y'all got my brother's lawyer yet? No? Okay. Has my brother requested a lawyer yet?
Are you talking to us?
Yes, I have. I have all that right to say something about it. Has my brother requested a lawyer yet?
I'm unaware if he has or has not.
Well, he has that right. Have you asked him if he's requested a lawyer yet?
I need you to take my car.
I personally have not.
Oh, okay. Has either of you requested if he's wanted his lawyer yet? Okay. What about you? Have you requested if he's to see his lawyer yet? No. Hey, what about you? You requested if my brother's seen his lawyer? Oh no, you haven't. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm not an expert in all of this, but I think you only need a lawyer once they start questioning you, right? I haven't questioned him yet. Doesn't need a lawyer. I think. I could be wrong, but I think that's what it is.
They're searching the car.
Yeah, against our permission. Watch out, Renee, so I can get this dude, just so he don't play no slick games. Because I know how Polk County and all the cops out here are.
Right before you turn, the address is 2200.
We're right in front of the hospital.
Alright, so this is where this video ends, with our genius being very mouthy. You know, some people should not talk a lot. Myself probably included in that lineup, but Bubba here, about as bright as last week's burnt out light bulb. I probably wouldn't take any legal advice from our guy over here. But this is what we have. It's a fun video. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate your time. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and share in the comments. It does help us a lot. Okay, see you in the next one.